Mag. Jig is a big pig. Jig can dig. So
and
dig. Mag can dig
and
dig. Did Jig win? Did Mag win? Jig did win. Jig and Mag ran. Mag can tag Jig.
Uh-oh. I went too far. I went too far. You read that one.
Okay.
This one.
Mag did win. The end. And that's the story of Jig and Mag. The end.